In a previous video I covered bird-like dinosaurs. In this video I'll be covering more dinosaur-like birds. Now most of these lived alongside each other, the two lineages, but some dinosaurs like Anchiornis and Archaeopteryx lived before, about 150 to 160 million years ago, while the bird-like dinosaurs lived 120, 160, well 120 or so million years ago, and so did the dinosaur-like birds. This is kind of a tree of life, kind of a cladogram mix. It's kind of linear, but that's not really how it works. But I'll include this inserted into the video. But you can see it starts with 3 possible ancestors to the tree, and it splits off into 2 lineages, and really a 3rd lineage if you count the Dinosaurs. But I'll be going over some of these really dinosaur-like birds that are really, at this point, starting to become modern birds. Confucius-ornis was the first bird known to have a beak with no teeth. However, it still had 3 claws on its hands. It lived about 125 million years ago and is known from hundreds of fossils. Sapiornis lived 125 million years ago. It still retained its teeth and clawed hands, but otherwise looked like a modern bird. Yanornis lived 125 million years ago and had teeth, but was otherwise a bird. Protopteryx is the earliest bird on this list at 131 million years ago. It had both claws and teeth. Longipteryx from 120 million years ago had both teeth and claws. Longissimus lived 120 million years ago and had teeth. Sulcatus lived 125 million years ago and had teeth. Longirostravus lived 125 million years ago and also had teeth. Parapingornis lived 120 million years ago and had teeth. Craerolis-pinea, not sure how to pronounce that one, it was 130 million years ago and had teeth like the other ones. These examples are clearly birds, but they retain theropod dinosaur features like hands and teeth in most cases. Those would be lost in later birds in the Cretaceous period, and modern birds obviously. This just shows how complicated the tree of life is. The evolution of birds is one of the most complicated due to the number of species involved.